Hello. Bread.
I'll keep you guys updated on my stool. Listen.
The moment you have all been waiting for. Yes. And that is for the people that wanted me to make another farting video, but I just didn't have one coming. So happy Monday, smash it, fart away, and let's get it.
Order gloves. I'm putting it all together, Paul.
I'm shit myself.
Going to bed and, you know, gotta have your good night fart. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello. You talking to me?
You better send that to him too. No.
Y'all ever have those farts that just don't feel good? Like it hurts? Because 5 minutes ago I farted, and it was such a profound experience that it is still throbbing. And I want nothing to do with it.
Tell me a sound that's better than this.
Question. Do you guys scroll up on TikTok or do you scroll down? Cause I am a scrolling down mother truck.
No cap till the day I die.
No, that's it.
A big lump of knobs.
It's got the juice.
It's got the juice.
In their first 27 games. But since
And it's like at the beach, weird but fucking beautiful, flying in a stars by the pocketful. You wanting me tonight? Impossible.
Oh, the relief. Oh, fuck. This is gonna be a stinky one, guys.
Ba-ba-da-boo, ba-bippity-doo, ba-bippity-boppity-boo. Foot of a heart of a hand and a ha, bippity-boppity-boo.
Oh, for God. Damn it, my pot roast is good. Morning. Good morning.
Do I come on TikTok looking like I've been dragged through a hedge backwards with unbrushed hair and then fart? No, of course I don't. I'm a lady.
This is how I walked home from work.
What are the chances of this actually making noise?
Sometimes you get a comment on TikTok that is just so sweet it gives you all the warm and fuzzy feels. Like this one from Eric Keane 840. Hell, I would go to Scotland to smell your fart. Imagine the thought that somebody would do that for me. Now, Eric, I need to point out to you it would be a waste of a journey and you'd be sorely disappointed because all my farting takes place in Northern Ireland where I live. And I can say with complete confidence they don't travel that far. They don't travel across the Irish Sea to Scotland. But it's still, you know, it's nice to know that somebody, the sentiment's there. You know, you've really made me feel very special today. Thank you.